Welcome to Eagle News. Our topic today is Dolly Parton comments on her 56-year marriage and her husband's love of farming. We have a great time. In the 1960s, the 9-to-5 singer met her husband Carl Thomas Dean at a laundry. Dolly Parton is spilling the beans on her secret to a happy marriage. The Jolene singer opened up about her 56-year marriage to Carl Thomas Dean, a businessman from Nashville, Tennessee. Parton talked about his passions and how their differences bring them together. I suppose I've talked about everything with Carl throughout the years, and we're quite different people. But we simply work so well together, she said to Entertainment Tonight. He's a loner, thus he doesn't like being with anyone other than me. He's not the type to go out and socialize all that much. He enjoys living on the farm and tending to the property as he has for many years, and we always have a lot to speak about. Parton also contributed. Since 1966, the couple has been married. Parton and Dean originally met at a laundromat when she was 18 and he was 21. He loves music, but he's not in the music business at all, so we have other things to talk about, his world and my world, and we work really well together, the 76-year-old singer explained to the publication. They've had their ups and downs like any other relationship, but the singer-songwriter stated that a good chuckle keeps the spark alive. We have a lot of love and respect for one another, and I believe the secret to it all is we both have a wacky, warped sense of humor, so we have a lot of fun, she says. Parton revealed last month that her husband has always been supportive of her great career and hinted at a special gift for him on her upcoming rock and roll record. He enjoys all of the songs. I'm performing so many of his favorite songs on the record that when it's finished, I'll play it for him in December, she told ET Canada. Meanwhile, the country music legend revealed that she and Dean have been married for 56 years but have been together for 58. That is an extremely long period to be doing anything. It's convenient to be married in this industry.